Hello again, welcome to my channel. My name's Margaret. Today we're looking at idioms about food. Here's the first one. The apple of one's eye. A person that is adored by someone. Hot potato. Difficult issue that people try to avoid dealing with. Carrot top. A person with red or orange hair. Bread and butter. Necessities, the main thing. Have bigger fish to fry. Have more important things to do. Bun in the oven. To be pregnant. Bring home the bacon. Earn the income. Cheesy. Cheap and not of good quality. Full of beans. Very lively and full of energy. Bad egg. A bad person. Go bananas. Go crazy. A piece of cake. Something very easy to do. So those are the idioms about food we're looking at today. Let's see if we can put those into sentences. Sarah's daughter is the apple of her eye and brings her so much joy every day. The movie was so cheesy with the over-the-top acting and predictable plot. Cheesy movie. You could use that as an adjective. A cheesy movie. Wasn't really good. Yeah, the acting was over the top. It was too much. With his red hair, Jack is often called Carrot Top by his friends. So people with red hair. I know when I was younger, I had a friend with red hair and he was always getting called Carrot Top. He hated it. Nowadays, we don't really use those idioms, but it's nice to learn them. After a good night's sleep, Sarah woke up feeling full of beans and ready to tackle the day. Sometimes I use that idiom quite often when I'm taking a class full of children, wanting them to calm down. Stop, you're full of beans today. Let's have some calmness. We'll do some yoga. We'll do some finger work just to calm down. Teaching has always been my bread and butter and I excel at it. Tom turned out to be a bad egg, betraying his friends when they needed him most. So his friends were relying on Tom to do something for them maybe, and obviously he didn't do it, so he betrayed them. So he was a bad egg. The last one, oh there's a few more. Sarah decided not to attend the party as she had bigger fish to fry with her upcoming project deadline. Having bigger fish to fry, you've got something else to do that's more important than this. Hopefully you haven't got bigger fish to fry when you're listening to my video today. Let's learn some more. The kids go bananas whenever they see their favourite cartoon character on TV. Maybe you're a young person watching this video. Maybe you have a favourite singer or pop group. Do you go bananas when they're performing on stage or you see them on video? Their friends were thrilled to hear about the bun in the oven and eagerly awaited the arrival of the new baby. Any of you guys pregnant? Do you know someone who's pregnant? Then you could say, wow, you've got a bun in the oven. That's what it means to be pregnant. Last one, playing the piano was a piece of cake for Sarah as she'd been practicing diligently for many, many years. So there you go. There's the rest of the food idioms. We've done really well today. Let's see if your challenge. Let's see your challenge. What I want you to do this week is use the idioms and see if you can create questions. Using those idioms, maybe do 3. Use 3 of the idioms that we've looked at today and can you create a question? I've looked at them in sentences. Can you change the sentence order and create a question? That's your challenge today. I hope this video has been very useful. If it is, give it a like. And if you want more interesting videos from me, hit that subscribe button and you'll be involved in all of my lessons. Thanks for watching today. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.